Hi there, welcome to my Ykgutilu aka XHM review. I bought this heater myself, so it's not sponsored. It's a very compact and smart looking 5 kilowatt heater. There are good and bad points. The fuel cap is a good point. The vent can be locked off so it doesn't spill fuel if it's sloshing around in the back of your motor. The advert on Amazon and the user manual warn against letting the fuel pipe touch the exhaust. They should tell their assembly workers, as supplied, the fuel pipe runs past the exhaust. The metal casing is held on by 8 screws which go into 8 clips. The 8 clips not very well fitted. There's 2 missing here. So where did those 2 clips go? Let's have a good look. And out comes the tank with difficulty. There she goes. And yeah, funny looking pump. And there's one of the clips hiding away in the corner. Come here, you little devil. Right. Where'd the other clip go? Oh well. And it's cold and I've got shaky hands and yeah, there's a yellow blade fuse in there. I didn't want to disturb it with cold hands and yeah, anyway, the wiring's very untidy. Could do with a few tie wraps. And that very strange fuel pump. Yeah. The controller's held in place with sticky pads and the pump is encased in some black stuff and at this point I'm guessing it'd be very loud because it just lays on the bottom of the tin. And it's the kind of weather where you see a brass monkey looking for a welder, so I'm carefully warming the pipe to remove it. I originally just repositioned the green pipe, but later I changed it because it's rubbish. Now here the pipe is fitted back, and with all those wires and the fuel pipe in the way, refitting the tank was a pain. Now in the end I unplugged the controller so at least one wire wasn't in the way. I managed to tuck the other ones out of the way and squeezed the tank back in and reconnected the controller with difficulty with my cold shaky hands, but I got there in the end. And there we go. So now to put the cover back on, and here's the other clip that I wasted ages searching for. That's another negative. They didn't fit the clips properly, and it's so easy to just give them a squeeze, push them on, and they stay on. And on a positive note, the top cover comes off easily, and with the lid off you can access the glow plug, the heat sensor and the ECU, that's the electronics control unit. And the ECU board, aka motherboard, is very distinctive, and if you want to upgrade to a 6-button controller you must get this board to go with it. Now another plus point, the hall sensor, which senses the motor RPM, is very well protected, unlike many motherboard, ECU, whatever boards. Now another plus, it's a decent controller and installation instructions. One of the best I've seen actually. But you may still enjoy my book from Amazon stores in UK, USA, etc. And Amazon, etc. is a little known branch on the far side of the moon. So here's the 6-button controller. I messed up the video showing this, so I'll do a follow-up later. And this heater comes with the usual kit of bits, and the remote had a battery pre-installed which is nice, another plus. I ended up changing the fuel pipe for a less flimsy one. I sleeved it. The green pipe is very kinky, but you know, if that's your scene, and hey, thanks for watching.